SADC offering a resolution to the problem. The African Union and by extension SADC has committed itself to having to not recognizing any government that's being installed perhaps by the military, that only democratically elected governments will be recognized. And Robert Mugabe and ZANU-PF have been elected. Some would question whether it was democratic or not, but it has been recognized by SADC. So it's going to be quite interesting how SADC will approach the SADC track will approach this particular issue. We've seen them approaching issues such as Lesotho and others, but they've never really come up with a long-term solution to the problem. And especially because we have a situation whereby it's one party in government, especially a liberation movement, ZANU-PF, which is close to maybe, it's most of Southern Africa, ANC, South Africa, SWAPO, Namibia, Frelimo, MPLA are their comrades, and how are they going to address this particular issue? So we still have a lot of questions which we would like to see being answered here today, but we do not know whether we're still waiting on the decision.